Morning to all of you present here. Happy Handloom Day to all of us. Can we have a can we have some attention and requesting all of you all to kindly put off your cell phones, turn it off. Not really, but put it on silent. To all the wonderful ladies wearing the best of saris and the gorgeous men, let's have a round of applause for the beginning because this is Sutra Textile Studies initiative of weaving this dream together. তাই অনুষ্ঠানের শুরুতে আমরা মনে হয় একটা সূত্রা টেক্সটাইল স্টাডিজের জন্য যদি আমরা একটা ছোট্ট হাততালি দিই তাহলে খুব ভালো লাগবে because Handloom Day is all about the hearts connecting to what we represent, the culture of handloom, and Sutra Textile Studies since 2002, its inception, has always taken this motto forward, and Amrita Mukherjee and her team has really set so many examples of not only preserving the culture but সব রকম ভাবে পরিবেশকে সুরক্ষিত রেখে কার্বন ফুটপ্রিন্টস সব কিছুকে মাথায় নিয়ে শুধু হ্যান্ডলুম নয় মানুষের সাথে মানুষের সম্পর্ক এবং যাতে সবাই মিলে এগিয়ে যেতে পারি সবাই মিলে অনেক কিছু গড়তে পারি তার জন্যই কিন্তু আজকের এই প্রচেষ্টা যেটা শুরু অ্যান্ড ফর দ্য নেক্সট 3 days লট and lots of things are happening. To begin this wonderful, wonderful day, I extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest. Please, we would like to, welcome her, Mrs. Ruby Paul Chaudhary, President Emeritus CCWB, our honorable chief guest. We thank you for your precious presence. And I would request Mrs. Amrita Mukherjee to please join me on. You're going to be seated or would you be joining me? Okay. So Amrita Di is here and Ruby Di, can I please invite you? আপনি যদি একটু এখানে আসেন ইনফ্যাক্ট আমরা একটা চেয়ার যদি Okay, I will come to you. আমরা খুব খুশি হয়েছি আজকে আপনাকে পেয়ে আমাদের মধ্যে এবং আমরা আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানের শুরুতেই অবশ্যই একটা ইনগ্রেশন থাকবে এবং সেই ইনগ্রেশনের প্রস্তুতিতে আমি অনুরোধ করব আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত we have all the icons and the legends of the handloom world with us. Would request Srimati Meenakshi Mishra, Director, ICCR, to please join me here. Srimati Meenakshi Mishra, Director ICCR, ma'am, I would request you to please join me here because we will start with the inauguration, which is a very different beginning, I will say, and আপনারা ক্রমশ বুঝতে পারবেন. Kasturi Gupta Menon, IAS ex DC Handlooms, Ministry of Textiles. We are extremely honored to have you. She will be joining us shortly. Shanta Ghosh, President CCWB. Srimati Shanta Ghosh, President CCWB, will also be joining us in a while. Preetikona Goswami, Padmashri, Srimati Preetikona Goswami, a legend with us. Srimati Vibha Kejriwal of Sri Priya Exports. I would request all of you all to please join me for the inauguration because this is the plant we'll water together, the plant representing everything that's bright, beautiful, evergreen. So we will request you all to water this plant together. So we will water the plant together. আপনারা সবাই একটু করে জল symbolizing prosperity, growth, success, our promise to take care of nature, and a symbol of togetherness. Can we put our hands together for this moment? We inaugurate Sutra Textile Studies, the 3 days to explore, experience, and fall in love with handloom once again. May I now have the pleasure of requesting the felicitation. আমি অনুরোধ করব অমৃতা দিকে to help us felicitate শ্রীমতী রুবি পাল চৌধুরী. We will felicitate our dear guests and esteemed dignitaries. As a token, আমরা সবাই মিলে ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনাকে. আমরা এই ছোট্ট বৃক্ষ দিয়ে আজকে আপনাকে ফেলিসিটেট করছি. শ্রীমতী মীনাক্ষী মিশ্রা to be felicitated. Somebody has to give it to me. Yeah. Which one? Give that one at the end. আমরা একটু করতালি বা হাততালি দিয়ে can we make some noise? Please, thank you so very much. We would like to thank প্রীতিকণা গোস্বামী. আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ আজকে এখানে উপস্থিত হওয়ার জন্য. আপনি আমাদের গর্ব. আমরা সত্যি খুবই খুশি আজকে আপনাকে পেয়ে. We would like to, I would request Purobi Roy to help us. Purobi Roy to felicitate Vibha Kejriwal. Thank you so very much. May I now request Joyce Johar, Sutra Council member, to please introduce the powerhouse, the heart of Sutra Textile Studies. Over to Joyce Johar.
Good morning, everyone. For almost 4 years, am I audible? Hello. Good morning. For almost 4 years, Amrita has spoken about weaving with a passion, with a contemplation, and about the necessity of focusing on the weavers. Even when we were doing another vertical or we were focusing on the demonstration of dyeing, she would say, yes, but now I must concentrate on that. Then came COVID, and it raised the dire prospect of some of them not having any livelihood. And that made her think about it with a great deal of regret that it was not happening fast enough. Now, with her recent hospitalization and various health vicissitudes, she somehow managed to give her thoughts, her experience, her guidance, which was very important because we were so used to just turning around and she was there. I think she virtually grabbed courage and strength from the sky in order to bring us here today. And Amrita today has arrived. I just want to say something, that there are qualities that a woman possesses which then uplifts her to the role, and we refer to them in a particular phrase. One who is imbued with a deep passion and a selfless desire to make a difference in the world, and who finds her voice and raises it. In her case, very softly, very gently, but she does it. And so I say to you, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our woman of substance, Amrita Mukherjee.
I would now request the President to kindly express her heart.
I will. I need some water. A very good morning to all of you, and a very, very, very warm welcome to every one of you. Mrs. Ruby Pal Chaudhuri, Srimati Kosturi Gupta Menon, Srimati Meenakshi Mishra, Srimati Shanta Ghosh, Srimati Preeti Kona Goswami, Mrs. Vibha Kejriwal, distinguished guests, members of the press, our weaver brothers and sisters that I don't actually see here, but I hope they are here, friends who've come from distances, many of them from afar. Thank you so much for coming. Members of our Sutra family, because I consider all of you to be part of this family. Thank you so much for your help and support. I really, really appreciate it. India's hand-woven textiles are legendary. For centuries, Bengal's fine weaves have been celebrated both at home and abroad. The skill of Bengal's weavers cannot be replicated anywhere else in the world. However, we are now facing a crisis. Our weavers, both in Bengal and across India, are confronting challenges that threaten to destroy this precious industry. We hear troubling reports. Skilled weavers are abandoning their looms for more lucrative jobs. Thousands of weavers are being driven out of their workshops by the relentless rise of fast fashion and power looms. Powerloom textiles are being falsely sold as handlooms. Synthetic fibers are replacing the beautiful cotton, silks, and tussars that Bengal is famous for. Ancillary workers in the handloom industry are dwindling at an alarming pace. Yet there is hope. Dedicated entrepreneurs are working with weavers to carry forward traditional skills while adapting to modern market needs. There is an increased participation from women, both as weavers and allied workers. Designers and brands from around the world are recognizing the potential of Bengal handlooms. They create exquisite textiles adopting a sustainable approach to fashion, which you will witness here today. This gives us hope that handloom is alive and thriving in certain pockets. On one hand, I go to Kalna. I find a person like Jyotish Devnath, a Sant Kabir Award winner, who creates dreams in textiles and trains many, many people, a lot of women included. Then I go to another village with just one power loom and 200 trained weavers who have no job since COVID. Together, we need to find solutions. A little bit about Sutra. No. No. It's okay. No, no, I'll sit. I'd like to say a little bit about Sutra. Sutra was born out of a desire to share and create awareness of our textile heritage. Founded in 2002 as a not-for-profit society, we aim to raise awareness through seminars, talks, exhibitions, workshops, publications, and other means. Our goal is to pave the way for further research, documentation, conservation, and development in the area of handcrafted textile arts to impact the grassroots. That is the ultimate objective. Our previous projects, since 2003, we have organized 5 international seminars and one national one. And the first one was on the historic trade of textiles from India with the world. We did another one on Rabindranath Tagore's contribution to our textile heritage through batik that he introduced to Vishwabharati University after his trip to Java. We've had 2 seminars on natural dyes and one in collaboration with Marg magazine. The last international seminar we had was Indigo Sutra, which focused on the reintroduction of indigo cultivation in Bengal, where it had completely stopped after the revolt against the British planters in the 19th century. After that, we have conducted, or actually right from the beginning, we have conducted several workshops on conservation and natural dyeing. In the last 3 years, we've had natural dye workshops, and I am delighted to say that the students who have been in our workshops in the last 3 years are producing excellent work, which you can see at the Grand Bazaar here today. I'm very proud of them. In recent years, actually right after Indigo Sutra, our concern has been for the handloom industry, which we believe needs help. Our message for this Handloom Sutra is, just as we consciously choose to lead a healthy life by avoiding harmful foods full of chemicals and pesticides, we should also question what we wear. Is it eco-friendly? Is it sustainable? Is it good for us and for the planet? But now I will go to today's program. And on the occasion of National Day, we are here to celebrate. And we are celebrating handlooms through this event. I'd like you to all to enjoy talks that inform you about the status of this sector and a special session curated by Marg magazine. Explore the exhibition showcasing the working of the loom from the simplest to the most complex. Visit the Grand Bazaar and Weavers Marketplace, offering an array of textiles from the sumptuous to the simplest. And now, I'd like you to have a treat, a visual treat that follows this, a dance performance by the renowned Shormila Bishwas. This will be followed by a handloom fashion walk curated by Shantanu Das of Maku fame, featuring some of the best designers in India who work with handloom. After that, a handloom walk curated by Shuchishmita Dasgupta of Nextiles, showcasing the best of Bengal weaves represented at our Grand Bazaar. What I would like to tell you also about the exhibition is that here you're in for a treat. When I say simplest to the most complex, I would like to say that Bappa Dito Bishwas, a textile artist who's been working with handlooms for a long time, has produced garments created on the loom, which I don't think has ever been done before. So this will be a special treat as well. Let us remind ourselves that handloom is not just a fabric. It is a symbol of our heritage, our culture. The incredible skill of our weavers represents centuries of tradition, and it is our responsibility to ensure that these skills are passed down from generation to generation, and that the beauty of handloom is preserved and celebrated. So let us all celebrate, support, and preserve our handloom heritage. Thank you for coming and committing to this handloom tradition.
Thank you. This is a very interesting event for me. So sometimes I'm, going to be in the center, sometimes around. And just as life is, it's like a full circle for me too. And now the person we are going to request, she's somebody who is known by various names, the firebrand, the most enterprising, the visionary, and who set standards which are absolutely, wow. She needs no introduction. The Weavers Studio, the Darshan Shah, and also it's just not the studio, but the Studio Resource Center, and also the Studio Center for the Art. So, the Darshan Shah, can we please request you to share a part of your heart with us on this very special occasion?
Good morning, namaskar, and shubho shokal. Thank you very much to, firstly, Amrita Di for her wonderful spirit. Can we have a big round of applause for her? I don't know how she does it, the kind of health issues, but her passion, her resilience, her dream, and her stubbornness. That's come together to bring to us this fantastic, wonderful, thought-provoking event that is being organized by Sutra. So firstly, congratulations to the entire team. Yes, handloom is of big concern, not only in Bengal, but everywhere. And we really needed to bring all of you here and all of us here to come together to actually get a reality check. We can keep doing bazaars, we can keep doing symposiums, we can keep having these talks, and we can keep entertaining ourselves. But at the end of the day, the bottom line is something completely different. And that is what I hope that this Sutra event and everything that has been planned at this event, from the keynote address to the felicitation of the weavers, to the fashion walk, to the talks, to the discussions, to the exhibition, and to all of it that is being put together, it actually raises a question, and we all sit together to find some kind of a roadmap, I would say, to what is it that we can all do to really make a difference. And are we really ready for it? Are we ready to bring in and question the government, ourselves, private-public partnerships, collaborations, the grassroots weavers, the actual issues, and all of it. And of course, the pricing, the markets, the demand, the supply, the design, the interventions, all of it, to be able to come to the next sutra in a much, with many of these questions answered. I hope that this happens, and I hope that all of you participate with your hearts, with lots of guts, your hearts full of love, as well as your hearts full of belief that yes, if it can be done, it can only be done if we are all in it together. So for this wonderful community of people who are invested in hand loom, in handwork and handcraft, from in all manners, whether it's the hand spinning, the natural dyes, the hand weaving, the embroideries, the hand block printing, and all of it. What is it that we can all bring together on the table and take it forward as a community, inclusive, and making a difference? So thank you very much for this opportunity to address all of you, and look forward to these next 2.5 days of amazing interactions and something really concrete and result-oriented coming out of this Sutra Handloom. Congratulations once again, and to each one of you, a very happy Handloom Day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I would request Ms. Darshan Shah to please, if you could please help us felicitate the weavers on behalf of Sutra Textile Studies. So we would like to felicitate the weavers, the magicians, I would say. বিদ্যুৎ মাইতি, ব্রজকিশোর মাইতি, হরালি হাওড়ার। বিদ্যুৎ মাইতি, ব্রজকিশোর মাইতি, হরালি হাওড়ার থেকে এসেছেন। অভিনন্দন। দাদা মুখে একটা হাসি চাই, আপনারা যত ভালো কাজ করেন তত সুন্দর একটা হাসি ওইদিকে। আপনাদের হাতের শিল্পর জন্যই আজকের এই দিন, তাই আপনাদের মুখে সবচেয়ে সুন্দর হাসিটা কিন্তু বুনে আনতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, ওটাই গুণ। ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই বিদ্যুৎ মাইতি এবং ব্রজকিশোর মাইতিকে। ব্রজকিশোর মাইতি। সো আমরা আপনাদের দুজনকে যৌথভাবে আমরা এখানে ঐক্যতা এবং ভ্রাতৃত্বকে তুলে ধরছি এবং এভাবেই সুন্দরভাবে বোনা থাক সম্পর্ক। আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ। ডেকে নেব ক্ষিতীশ দাস, নির্মল দাস, কুচবিহার থেকে। ক্ষিতীশ বাবু এবং নির্মল বাবু কুচবিহারের। আরো কাছাকাছি আসতে হবে, একদম সুতোগুলোর মতো। এবার ওইদিকে তাকাতে হবে ম্যাডামকে সাথে রেখে। আমি অনুরোধ করবো, ইফ we can put our hands together, one for the moment to live forever. মেমারি বর্ধমান থেকে তারকনাথ দাস, রবীন্দ্রনাথ দাস, লক্ষ্মীমণি দাস, তীর্থরাম দাস। মেমারি বর্ধমান থেকে তারকনাথ দাস, রবীন্দ্রনাথ দাস, লক্ষ্মীমণি দাস এবং তীর্থরাম দাস। ধন্যবাদ দাদা, থ্যাংক ইউ। ডেকে নেব
One of the master spinners from this group is doing the demonstrations on the third floor. So definitely we will be going to the third floor for all the walkthroughs and the wonderful exhibition, and we'll meet him there and congratulate him.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। ডেকে নেব শৈল কুণ্ডু এবং সন্দীপ চ্যাটার্জিকে, বেগমপুর হুগলির। বেগমপুর হুগলির শৈল কুণ্ডু এবং সন্দীপ চ্যাটার্জি। জয়ন্তশীল এবং জলাধর ভার, বেগমপুর হুগলির। জয়ন্তশীল এবং জলাধার ভার। বেগমপুর আমরা পরে পাবো ওনাদের একটু বাদে। বিনয় ভূষণ লাহা এবং শান্তনু দত্ত, ধনিয়াখালী হুগলির। বিনয় ভূষণ লাহা এবং শান্তনু দত্ত, অনেক অভিনন্দন। এভাবেই সাজাবেন আমাদের। আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ। তারক দাস এবং সুমিত্রা দাস, কেঞ্জাকুড়া বাঁকুড়ার। দাস পরিবার, তারক দাস, সুমিত্রা দাস, কেঞ্জাকুড়া বাঁকুড়ার। ওনাকে আমাদের অভিনন্দন জানাবেন, আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ। শ্রীবাস বিরল এবং বিষ্ণুপ্রসাদ চ্যাটার্জি, মির্জাপুর মুর্শিদাবাদের। মির্জাপুর মুর্শিদাবাদের বিষ্ণুপ্রসাদ চ্যাটার্জি এবং শ্রীবাস বিরল। শ্যামসুন্দরপুর মিদনাপুর থেকে গণেশ ঘটম, অভিনন্দন আপনাদের। গণেশ ঘটম, শ্যামসুন্দরপুর মিদনাপুর থেকে। উনি আসতে পারেননি, আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। And now I would we would now like to felicitate অলোক জানা, মেদিনীপুর থেকে এসেছেন, আমাদের আরো একজন ভিভার বন্ধু, ভিভার পরিবারের। অনেক অভিনন্দন, মুখে হাসি। থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ very, very much. Now I will request Amrita Di to kindly help me felicitate Jyotish Debnath. So, celebrating the Handloom Day would just not be complete unless we see fashion in real form. And we have all the most fashionable people in this house this morning. Can we have a generous round of applause for each of us for feeling beautiful the way we are, wrapped in the most exquisite handloom, or not, but wrapped with happiness and togetherness. We would like to begin the fashion walk. But before that, Amrita Di has a little message for all of us. Over to you.
I think you'll have to hold this. I just wanted to. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Increase. I'll hold. I'm holding, see? Speak.
Can you hear me, all of you? Well, I just thought that right after this, you're going to be treated to a fabulous show. And Shantanu is coming with some of the best designers all over India. And I was asking him, are you bringing a Lakme fashion show into Kolkata with Sutra? I don't know. You'll have to judge. But after that, Shuchishmita will bring the best of Bengal weaves to you, which are represented at the bazaar. So I don't think after that, you'll want to hear any more talks. You'll all rush to the bazaar or something. And it's going to be woven in with a beautiful dance by Sharmila Biswas. So I think I would like to say my thanks before all that, so then you can really enjoy the place. Well, first of all, a sincere thanks to Ruby Di for coming as our special guest, and to all our special guests who have come here, for every one of you who have taken the trouble to come here today and from all over the place. Thank you. Thanks to all our weaver brothers and sisters, for this is about them. And it is about the work they do. And my sincere, sincere thanks to them for giving us these absolutely marvelous things that we wear. I would like to thank Srimati Meenakshi Mishra and all of the ICCR team over here, and especially Shourab, who has been dealing with a lot with us. I'd like to thank all our sponsors and supporters and well-wishers. I'd like to thank Srimati and Mr. Rajat Kejriwal of Sri Priya Textiles. I'd like to thank Sri and Srimati Shondeep and Lolita Ray. Also, Mr. Anjan Mukherjee. I'd like to thank Darshan for a lot that she has done. I don't think I'll be able to say what. She has loaned us the loom that you will see upstairs in the exhibition, and a lot more beside. Shonali is not here today. She's very ill, but she has also been very helpful with us for Sutra. Excuse me. I'd like to thank the PR team and members of the press. Without the press, we cannot reach the public. We cannot send our message across. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank all of our speakers who have come here today. Archana Shah, Darshan Shah, Chandrasekhar Shah, who unfortunately couldn't come from Bangladesh because of the uprising there. Rupa Mehta, Vishal Shah, Shantanu Das, Paramita Banerjee, Arathrik Dev Barman, and Jisha Unnikrishnan from the MAG team. I would like to thank the MAG team and Almitra especially for coordinating all this. Thank you so much. I would like to thank all the colleges that have participated. IIFT, Sister Nivedita University, the Bhawanipur Design Academy, Bhawanipur School of Event Management, unit of the Bhawanipur College, and NIFT. We have got a number of volunteers from there, both to help and for the fashion show. Thank you so much to Pradeep for the sound system and AV. Thank you, Rupsha, for being our MC today. Sharmila's not around, but I would like to thank her very, very much, Sharmila and her team, for doing this beautiful performance for us. For the handloom walks, where Shantanu is bringing really the best of designers from all around. And I thank all the designers who have agreed to send their costumes here. Shuchishmita Dashgupta for doing the Bengal Handloom Walk, and all those who have participated. Thank you so much. For the exhibition, I would like to thank Shabri Wable, who has come all the way from Kutch, and also assisted by Vishal Shaha and Shupriyo. Where is Shupriyo? Shahu. Of course, Bappaditya Vishwas for loaning us the costumes that are on display. Thank you so much. We would like to thank Borun Poddar and his team for the set design and a lot of work that they've put together. For the Grand Bazaar and Weavers Market, thank you so much to Shupriyo Shahu, Polumi, and Deepak, who have worked together to bring it. Thank you all the vendors who have come together for this event. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Satish Reddy for social media work, and they are working on a catalog with Vidula. I'd like to thank very much Naveen and Srijita for communications and graphics, and these are the posters that you see all around us. They have done it. We have many, many others who have helped in many ways. There's Sridhar, who brought cotton balls from Chennai, Orup Rokhit, who has been sending slivers, Debu Vashu, who's been helping, Sitha, where are you? Shonjeev Mondol, Paramita Bhattacharjee, Kingshok Dashgupta, and our many, many volunteers. All our back-end helpers working behind the scenes. Thank you to Team Handloom Sutra. This event was actually brought together in just 2 months, out of which I was out of action for nearly a month and a half. So it is all their effort that has brought this together, and I hope you will enjoy it. And we have Shukti, who leads the team, Satish, Shabri, Vishal, Shupriyo, Polumi, Deepak, Amita, and Purobi. Where are you? Thank you so much. I mean, it was a massive task. Thank you. They've been working day and night without sleep, with a lot of hassle, bringing it together. Thank you, my Sutra committee. Thanks to Shondeep, Lolita, Joyce, who's been a backbone, really. To Ronojoy and Konika. And I have to say a very, very special word for Nisha, who actually initiated this. Why don't you have something? Why don't you have something, Sutra, do something? And she brings it all together, and she's also been working under duress. Everybody has. Thank you so much. And I cannot finish before thanking my family. My husband, thank you. My sister, Lolita, I don't know, she couldn't come because she's not well. Been a huge support. My son, Orijit, my daughter-in-law, Ruby, who have come all the way from London to support us during trying times. And my daughter, Konika. I can't even say enough about her. Thank you so much. Now I think you should enjoy the show.
You know, tears are a form of joy, an expression of joy as well. Can we have a generous round of applause for Amrita Di, who in spite of not keeping well, has been coordinating everything, of course, with the wonderful team here. And we would like to felicitate the Begumpur weavers, আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত শৈল কুণ্ডু, সন্দীপ চ্যাটার্জি, জয়ন্তশীল এবং জলাধার ভর। আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন এবং ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনাদের। থ্যাংক ইউ, আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ so very much, Darshanji. And now we will have the pleasure of getting elevated to the world of a creation called dance. And we have Shormila Biswas and her troupe with us. She needs no introduction, of course. She is an icon in the Indian classical dance form of Odissi and the winner of the highest Sangeet Natak Academy Award. And today we are extremely happy that she has got her performances for this exclusive occasion. No more words, please enjoy. This is your day, this is our day, this is Handloom Day. On behalf of Sutra Textile Studies, presenting Shormila Biswas and troupe.
জীবন পরে গুটে গার টানি বাগির গতি তার চালিথিসিন 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 ভর্নি মেতান উঠি পড়ি ভর্নি মেতান উঠি পড়ি কেতে কথা নেই করি এন্তা পরে আমর জীবন শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন জীবন পরে গুটে গার টানি বাগির গতি তার চালিথিসিন 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 ভর্নি মেতান উঠি পড়ি ভর্নি মেতান উঠি পড়ি কেতে কথা নেই করি এন্তা পরে আমর জীবন শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন
Light, soft cotton floats in the air, twisted and stretched out into threads and held firmly on either side of a wooden frame. The tautness causes some threads to break. Others come from across, up and down, through and through, to become lengths of cloth. Sometimes These pieces are worn as turbans, sometimes draped around the body with great care. In the winter, they give us warmth. In summer, we use them to hide from the sun or to hide our shame. One needs these to wipe the body dry or to take the dirt off the feet. Easily accessible, easily replaceable, eminently forgettable. But if one chooses to pick up a piece and look, one might notice the small and intricate designs, clever use of color, and the sweet, earthy smell.
চালিথিসি ন 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 रुआनु बाहारे सुता सुतानु तो हेसी लुगा सेंता परे आमर जीवन सेंता परे आमर जीवन रुआनु बाहारे सुता सुतानु तो हेसी लुगा सेंता परे आमर जीवन सेंता परे आमर जीवन 29 सालु मरबार जाके 29 सालु मरबार जाके धुआं धुपा हेई करी चालिथिसि न चालिथिसि न चालिथिसि न चालिथिसि न रुआनु बाहारे सुता सुतानु तो हेसी लुगा सेंता परे आमर जीवन 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 জীবন পরে গুটে গার টানি বাঘির গতি তার চালিথিসি ন চালিথিসি ন বর্ণি মেতন উঠি পড়ি কেতে কথা নেই করি এন্তা পরে আমার জীবন সুনসান সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন টানি ভনি থাক নাই দেখি অথা হুও নাই দেখো কানা বাহারু অছেন কল হেলে ভিত তাকে যেতে ঘিচা টনা কলে কেবে চিরি নাই পারন লুগা পরে তাহার নাম শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন কেতে রঙর লুগা দেখন ই রঙ কাଣା কহু অছে ন ধীরে ধীরে কর গমন দয়া ভাব মনরে আণ সরল ভাব কর গ্রহণ নিজকু কর বিতরণ শুন সাঙ্গ শুন দেই মন
Would request all of you all to please come and take your seats. The show has so many folds this afternoon. Would request all of you all to please come back and take the lovely seats. It's waiting to be filled. And Shormila, Biswas and Team Jonno, I think we just don't have words to express. It was amazing and something completely, which was so unexpectedly, we all went down and what unity, and we are all really celebrating the inauguration. Please, এসে আপনাদের আসন গ্রহণ করুন. Thank you. আমি অনুরোধ করব, would request everyone to please be seated because we have May I kindly request all of you all to take your seats? May I kindly request Ms. Darshan Shah to please join me here because we have filled in both the floors and we would like to felicitate our weaver Lokkimoni Das from Memory বর্ধমান থেকে লক্ষ্মীরানী দাস এসেছেন। আমরা ওনাকে উত্তরীয় দিয়ে অভিনন্দন জানাবো আজকের এই বিশেষ দিনে। প্লিজ আসুন। Fashion show is going to be on over 2 floors, both floors. এই সাইড থেকে শুরু হবে, এই সাইড থেকে শুরু হবে। আসবে বললো, মানে হাফ হাফ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমি সিকোয়েন্স জানি না। লক্ষ্মীমণি দাসকে আমরা তারকনাথ বাবু আপনি এসেছিলেন একটু আগে, এবার একসাথে চলে আসুন, তাহলে আমরা উত্তর দিয়ে আপনাদের দুজনকে বরণ করে নেব। একটু এদিকে। খুব সুন্দর মুখে হাসি, কোথায় বৌদি? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are all prepared to witness Handloom in Fashion, presented by Shantanu, founder and director of Maku Textiles. And it's going to be a fantabulous walk and so much more. This fashion show will function on both the floors. So if you are here or you are on the second floor, this is a very unique experience, and I'm sure we are all going to have a great time. Shonali Di and I can see, oh my God, everybody is here. So many happy faces. Welcoming everybody once again, and we will just pause for a while and let Shantanu's magic, Handloom in Fashion, take it up from here. Handloom in fashion. Our Mother Earth has blessed with lives. In the past billion of years, we have enriched our blue planet with diversity, culture, and practices. But such practices cannot be preserved and sustained without its economic significance. When we speak about protecting our handlooms and textile-based crafts in India, it is virtually impossible without a market relevance. Therefore, in sustaining handloom, we must bolster its relevance today. In India, we are proud to boast about our thriving craft ecosystem. The craft sector in India contributes significantly to our national economy. Handloom in Fashion attempts to celebrate that triumph of the fashion sector in India. It demonstrates how artists, entrepreneurs have interpreted handloom in their works and have successfully established this unique expression globally. They have promoted and pushed handloom and its craft to the forefront of fashion industries as means of helping to recognize its potential. Today, when Sutra celebrates Handloom Day by bringing together many stakeholders, Shantanu Handloom in Fashion will provide you an opportunity to witness and experience the innovations of 18 makers in their attempts to adopt handloom and yet manage to create an unique expression of their own. It is our hope that it will inspire many craft enthusiasts, weavers, educators, students, and the government. We wish that handloom inspires us and lives forever and ever. models are wearing Tan Ban, Soumitra Mondol, Urvashi Kaur, We Are Cal, Beach, Padmaja Studio, Anna Villa, Pero, Raw Mango, Neeru Kumar, Paromita, Amba, Me, Injury, Akaro, 1111, Maku, and Tilla. Eighteen makers, 18 brands. Handloom in fashion. That was, that is, and that shall remain fabulous. Can we have a generous round of applause for the lovely models and, of course, Shantanu. We shall now have another dance presentation by Shormila Bishash and a troupe.
আনন্দ ধারা বহিছে ভুবনে, আনন্দ ধারা বহিছে ভুবনে, আনন্দ ধারা। নাদের দানি তুমদের দানি তানা দেরে না, নাদের দানি তুমদের দানি তানা দেরে না, নাদের দানি তুমদের দানি তানা দেরে না, নাদের দানি তুমদের দানি তানা দেরে। বহিছে ভুবনে পান করে রবি শশী অঞ্জলি ভরিয়া, সদা দীপ্ত রহে অক্ষয় জ্যোতি। পান করে রবি শশী অঞ্জলি ভরিয়া সদা দীপ্ত রহে অক্ষয় জ্যোতি। নিত্য পূর্ণ ধরা জীবনে কিরণে আনন্দ ধারা বহিছে ভুবনে।
গমদনি সা দনি দা দনি সা গম গনি সা দা গম গম
আনন্দ ধারা।
नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। नमस्ते गरुडारूढे भोलासुरभयङ्करे सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते।
तत्ते 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 ते ते ता ते विनाक धीनि तत्ते तत्ते ते विनाक धीनि ते ते ता।
पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्मातर महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्मातर महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। जगत्स्थिते जगन्मातर महालक्ष्मी
মারে খিতি রাজকীয় ঠানি ধরি উভা মুকেশরী পরি বিলাসিনী সুহাসিনী কোমলিনী মরাড়গামিনী কোইলির মধুবাণী সুভাষিণী সম্মোহিনী নৃত্যর প্রভা আনে ময়ূর শোভা সেন দৃষ্টি সেন দীপ্তি লক্ষ্যে মোর নাহি ভ্রান্তি
dire tana dire na ta dream ta tana dire na dream ta dire tana dire na ta dream ta tana dire na
Nrutyoro prabha ane moyuro shobha. I dance with the stunning beauty of the peacock.
ta dream ta dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na ta dream ta dire na ta dream ta dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na ta dream ta dire na
Dhek dhinak dhinita dhinak dhin dhek dhinak dhinita dhinak dhin dhak dhak dhinita dhinak dhin dhek dhak dhinita dhinak dhin
ta dream ta dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na tana na dire na ta dream ta dire na sa ni pa ni sa ga ma ga sa ga sa ni pa ma pa ni sa
Sveno drushti, sveno dipti, lokhe moro nahi bhranti. I reach, I achieve always with the precision of the hawk.
dream dream ta dire tana dire na dream dream ta dire tana dire na ta dream ta tana dire
ত্রিগৃধি ত্রিগৃধি ত্রিগৃধি
dream dream ta dire tana dire na ta dream ta
তাথিন থিনা কথিনি তাথিন থিনা কথিনি তাথিন থিনা কথিন
dream dream ta dire tana dire na
তাক তাকিটে তাক তাকিটে তাকিটে তাকিটে
dream dream ta dire tana dire
ত্রিগৃধি 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 তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি ত্রিগৃধি ত্রিগৃধি
dream dream ta dire
তাকিটে 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 তা তাকিটে ধা তাকিটে ধা তাকিটে
dream
তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি ধি তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি ধি তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি তাদ্ধি ত্রিগৃধি 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 ধা গে ধা ধা তিন্দা ধাগে ধা ধা তিন্দা তাগে ধা ধা তিন্দা ধাগে ধা ধা তিন্দা তাগে ধা ধা তিন্দা
dream dream ta dire tana dire na tana dire na ta dream ta tana dire na ta dream ta tana dire na ta dream ta tana
धा धिनी ता त्रिक धा धिनी
धा धा तिनी ता ता
धे कि धे तिनी ता कि ता कि धिनी
धे धिनक धिनी ता धिनक धिनी धे धिनक धिनी
धा ने ता ने धा ने धा 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 त्रिक धा धिनी ता त्रिक धा धिनी धा गे धा तिनी ता कि ता धिनी धे कि धे तिनी ता कि धिनी धे धिनक धिनी ता धिनक धिनी धे धिनक धिनी धा गे ने धा के धा गे ने धा ते धा 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 धा
धे धा तिनी ता धा तिनी धा धा तिनी ता ता तिनी धे तिनी ता ता तिनी धे धिनक धिनी ता धिनक धिनी धे धिनक धिनी
धा त्रिक धा 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 त्रिक धा 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 धा
To be very honest, I would need a word loom to actually create what and how I should express this excellent presentation by Shormila Bishwas and Troupe. Can we really kind of really put our hands together for all the dancers and Shormila the magnificent is the word. Our inauguration ceremony is almost at the end, but we are all set to present Shuchishmita Dasgupta and Bengal Weaves. Shuchishmita, the multi-award winning costume designer with a background in brand building and communication, but her first love remained textiles, and that gave shape to her dream Nextiles, a strong commitment to recycling. And Shuchishmita remained committed to the cause where it's all about recycling, upcycling, and Nextiles believes in zero waste. Today we are very, very excited because in the next presentation, Bengal Handloom Walk, curated by Shuchishmita, aims to bring a wide spectrum of Bengal-based designers together. Bengal and Eastern India's handloom textiles are internationally known and highly acclaimed. In this walk, we are covering 17 designers, some global and some still making their mark. The aim is to put handloom first and focus on its inclusivity and how it includes all sections of the society. The designer lineup would be Bailum and Kutti, Indigo Et and Kutti, Earth Root, Vishal Shah, Rimil, Shouroja Collection, Manosh Ghorai, Taranga, Atori, Asmani, Love for Loom, Yarn Story, Earthcraft Artistry, Karustuti, Nextiles, and Weavers Studio. We would like to extend our gratitude to Shahana Bajpai, who wove the music for this, and of course, Shujoy Prasad Chatterjee for always being the light. Manoj Ghorai for providing most of the jewelry for the participants, and the assistant Andrini Bhattacharya. The wonderful makeup of all the models and the hair team, Noor Alam Babai and Hema Munshi. Presenting Bengal Handloom Walk.
আমরা মলয় বাতাসে ভেসে যাব শুধু আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমি না গেলাম যমুনার ঘাটে না তুলিলাম জল না হেরিলাম তারে সখী না হইলাম চঞ্চল আমি না গেলাম যমুনার ঘাটে না তুলিলাম জল না হেরিলাম তারে সখী না হইলাম চঞ্চল আমার ইচ্ছা বান্ধিবি সোহাগ বান্ধিবি অনুরাগ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে যেখানে প্রজাপতি রঙের ফোয়ারা যেখানে সূর্যিরা সাজিয়েছে পাড়া যেখানে মৌমাছি হলো মন বাতি বিলোবে ভালোবাসা দান খয়রাতি যেখানে দিন হলে হবে দিল খুশ বিরহে ঝিলমিল ওড়াবে ফানুষ আমাকে মেলা থেকে কিনে দেবে তো বাসি আমি তো রোজ রোজ বায়না বিলাসী আমাকে নাও আমাকে নাও আমাকে নাও আনমনা জাদুকর যেখানে যাও যেখানে চাও আর বানাও আমার ঘর সাজো সাজাও এমন করে বুঝতে নারী কেমন তুমি সাজো সাজাও এমন করে বুঝতে নারী কেমন তুমি আসল তোমার কতেক খাঁটি কতেক নকল তোমার মাটি সাজো সাজাও এমন করে বুঝতে নারী কেমন তুমি চুলের বাহার টেরি কেটে সাদ কি শুধু তাতেই মেটে চুলের বাহার টেরি কেটে সাদ কি তবু তাতে মেটে দেখতে চাই গো হৃদয় ঘেটে দেখতে চাই গো হৃদয় ঘেটে দেখতে চাই গো হৃদয় ঘেটে কোথায় পাতা শীতল পাটি সাজো সাজাও সাজো সাজাও এমন করে বুঝতে নারী কেমন তুমি আমি একদিনও না তারে বাড়ির কাছে আর শ্রীনগর সে থাপড়শি বসত করে এক ঘর পড়শি বসত করে আমি একদিনও না দেখিলাম তারে বাড়ির কাছে আর শ্রীনগর সে থাপড়শি বসত করে এক ঘর পড়শি বসত করে আমি একদিনও না দেখিলাম তারে গিরাম বেড়ে অগাধ পানি নাই কিনারা নাই তরুণী পারে গিরাম বেড়ে অগাধ পানি নাই কিনারা নাই তরুণী পারে বাঞ্ছা করি দেখব তারে বাঞ্ছা করি দেখব তারে কেমনে সেথা যাই রে আমি কেমনে সেথা যাই রে আমি একদিনও না দেখিলাম তারে কুঞ্জবনের ভ্রমর বুঝি বাঁশির মাঝে গুঞ্জরে বকুলগুলি আকুল হয়ে বাঁশির গানে মুঞ্জরে কুঞ্জবনের ভ্রমর বুঝি বাঁশির মাঝে গুঞ্জরে বকুলগুলি আকুল হয়ে বাঁশির গানে মুঞ্জরে যমুনারি কলতান কানে আসে কাঁদে প্রাণ যমুনারি কলতান কানে আসে কাঁদে প্রাণ আকাশে ওই মধুর বিধু কাহার পানে এসে চায় আকাশে ওই মধুর বিধু কাহার পানে এসে চায় ওগো শোনো কে বাজায় ওগো শোনো কে বাজায় গোপন স্বপনে ছাইল অপরস আচলের নবনীলিমা গোপন স্বপনে ছাইল অপরস আচলের নবনীলিমা উড়ে যায় বাদলের এই বাতাসে তার ছায়াময় এলোকেশ আকাশে উড়ে যায় বাদলের এই বাতাসে তার ছায়াময় এলোকেশ আকাশে সে যে মনোমোর কারণ হরষে হৃদয় গগনে সজল ঘন নবীন মেঘে রসের ধারা বরষে মহারাজ হে কি সাজে এলে হৃদয় পুরো মাঝে চরণ তলে কোটি শশী সূর্য মারে লাজে মহারাজ হে কি সাজে গর্ব সব টুটিয়া
Presenting Shuchishmita Das Gupta. Please put your hands together for the fabulous handloom walk representing the Bengal weaves. Fantabulous, and all the models just sizzled like I don't even know. As I said that I'm losing words and I need a word loom today. With this, our inauguration event, comes to an end, but of course not till I invite everyone to what awaits now. Visit the markets and the grand weavers in the Grand Bazaar, the Tat exhibition in Nandulal Bose Gallery. Would request all of you all to please do come and participate, because there's going to be a fabulous walk with Bapaditya Biswas and Shabri Wable at 4 p.m. in Nandulal Bose Gallery. Would request all of you all for the talks at Shotojit Ray Auditorium at 5 p.m. I would like to take this opportunity to thank ICCR, all the participating designers, weavers, all the delegates present, and the schools for the volunteers and the event organizers. This is your day. From today, tomorrow, and day after, please participate and spread the message that here awaits a treat like no other, especially with this festival coming in. This is the right time to explore and show our respect towards the weavers. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. And I thank Amrita Di, Shonali Di, Shukti, and everyone who helped me put this event together with all of you all. Thank you so very much. See you.